Welcome to U.S. Fastener Import and Trading Company, your trusted source for high-quality stainless steel marine hardware. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at stainless steel mooring rings, essential components for securely mooring boats to wharfs, quays, jetties, and piers. Mooring rings are designed to provide a secure and reliable attachment point for marine vessels. At U.S. Fastener Import and Trading Company, we offer durable mooring rings manufactured by Mizumoto Machine Manufacturing Company, a leader in stainless steel hardware from Japan with over 50 years of experience. Our mooring rings are available in high-quality 304 stainless steel, known for its excellent corrosion resistance, or 316 stainless steel for enhanced seawater resistance. This ensures a long service life, reduces maintenance costs, and preserves the appearance of your mooring area. Our standard finish is barrel polishing, but we also offer buffing and electrolytic polishing upon request for a refined appearance and added protection. We offer a wide range of stainless steel mooring rings, each tailored to different mooring applications. Let's take a closer look at the available types. Type MM features a simple U-shaped design, ideal for general mooring applications and providing a straightforward attachment point for ropes. Type MMH is a reinforced U-shaped design with thicker components for enhanced strength, suitable for securing larger vessels or heavier loads. Type MS is a compact design with a swivel mechanism, allowing for rotational movement to reduce rope twisting and strain. Type MSL is similar to Type MS, but with an extended vertical segment, providing added flexibility and reach for specific mooring setups. Type MW features two U-shaped loops, offering dual attachment points for added versatility and stability in mooring applications. Type ML is an L-shaped design that allows for compact mooring, often used in tight or constrained spaces. Type MV is a V-shaped design, providing two distinct hooks for attaching multiple lines, ideal for boats requiring dual mooring points. Type MG is a single hook design angled for secure attachment to ropes or chains, suitable for easy hooking and unhooking. Type MI is a vertical straight design with a minimal footprint, ideal for narrow spaces while maintaining strong attachment. Type MJ is a J-shaped configuration designed for quick and easy line attachment, commonly used for temporary or flexible mooring setups. Type MR is an I-shaped ring with a broader base for added stability and support under high-tension loads. Type MT is a T-shaped design with a perpendicular base for secure anchoring to flat surfaces, providing robust stability. Type MZ is a Z-shaped design offering multiple attachment points in a compact structure, useful for multi-line mooring. Type MIS is a smaller version of the swivel ring, perfect for lightweight or low-profile mooring setups where space is limited. Type MU is a U-shaped design with a threaded stem for secure mounting, providing versatility for various installation surfaces. Type MUH is a reinforced U-shaped design with a threaded stem, built for high-load applications and larger vessels. Type MD is a double-ring design for dual-line mooring, ensuring increased stability and security for heavy-duty setups. In addition to our standard mooring rings, custom-made solutions are available to fit unique installation requirements. If you have specific needs, simply provide the item code and quantity to receive a tailored solution, or provide us with a drawing for custom manufacturing. As the authorized agent for Mizumoto in the United States, we take pride in representing their premium line of stainless steel mooring hardware. For inquiries or to place an order, reach out to us at info@usfitc.com. Visit our website for more details and explore our full range of marine hardware. Upgrade your marine hardware with stainless steel mooring rings built for durability, reliability, and corrosion resistance. Secure your vessel with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into high-quality marine hardware. Thank you for watching.